Stop the failure of the Department of Education and rebuild American manufacturing. For decades, America has been sold a false promise. A 4-year college degree is the only path to success. Meanwhile, our manufacturing sector crumbled, our trade schools were neglected, and millions of jobs were shipped overseas. The Department of Education has failed American workers, prioritizing bloated bureaucracies and useless degrees over real-world skills that fuel economic growth. It's time to reverse this decline by revamping our education system and bringing back American manufacturing through policies that prioritize our workers and industries over globalist interests. The Department of Education's failure. The U.S. education system has become detached from reality. Instead of preparing students for stable, high-paying careers, it pushes them into massive student loan debt for degrees with no job prospects. Skilled trades and vocational programs have been abandoned, leaving the workforce unprepared for real-world jobs. Young Americans are funneled into universities, only to graduate with crippling debt and no clear career path. Meanwhile, manufacturing jobs go unfilled, and companies look overseas for cheap labor. The Department of Education has wasted trillions, yet literacy and math scores are plummeting. It's time for a complete overhaul that shifts focus back to job-ready skills, trades, and manufacturing. The path to rebuilding American manufacturing. We cannot have a strong economy without a strong industrial base. America must invest in its workers and protect its industries with bold policies. 1. Enforce Buy American policies. American companies have been rewarded for outsourcing for too long instead of keeping jobs at home. We must prioritize American-made products for government contracts, end tax breaks for corporations that manufacture overseas, protect key industries like steel, auto, and electronics from foreign competition. If American taxpayers pay for it, it should be made by American workers. 2. Offer incentives for companies to reshore jobs. Corporate greed drove millions of jobs overseas, but strong policies can bring them back. Lower taxes for companies that manufacture in the U.S. Tax penalties for companies that outsource jobs and rely on cheap foreign labor. Encourage investment in U.S.-based supply chains to reduce dependence on China and other foreign markets. America shouldn't beg foreign countries for essential goods. We should be producing them right here at home. 3. Invest in apprenticeship programs and trade schools. America needs skilled workers, not worthless degrees. It's time to expand trade schools and apprenticeships for construction, welding, electrical work, and advanced manufacturing industries. Give young Americans real alternatives to college, debt-free career paths that provide stable, high-paying jobs. Partner with businesses to create hands-on training programs, ensuring students graduate ready for work. Instead of producing unemployed sociology majors, we need skilled machinists, welders, and engineers to rebuild our country.